Hello friends, welcome to Student Impulse. First of all, thanks for being in my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing job openings in Ahmedabad for various positions. Firstly, there is a job opening at Green Cross Export Private Limited. They have opening for sourcing executive. Job location Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Salary offered 15,000 to 20,000 a month. There is a basic information about the company here. You can go through it. Responsibilities and duties: to deal with the Indian pharmaceutical companies through emails, phone calls, and even meetings when needed. To take care of the data given, industry, products, and market analysis. To do the marketing of the company through phone calls, emails, and meetings when needed for the joint collaborations with the Indian pharmaceutical companies. Other skills: MS Outlook, MS Office, managerial skills, data intelligence, purchase planning, MS Outlook, MS Office. This is same as given. Data intelligence, purchase planning. There is a phone number, Indian phone number, and email ID provided here. I have also provided the company address here. You can go through it. Next, there is a job opening for electrical supervisor at Lattice Industries Private Limited. These are all job locations, so will be Ahmedabad only. Salary offered 10,000 a month. Job description: we are looking for a candidate for electrical supervisor at our company, designing and implementing work schedules for the electrical staff, basic understanding of electrical motors, who can working with operator, able to supervise the production, also quality work, have basic computer skills, ITI, diploma can apply, freshers or 1 year of experience can apply, salary offered 10,000 to 13,000. Then there is a official email ID and phone numbers here. I have also provided the address details. Next, there is a job opening for sales coordinator, Gintech Solutions Limited. Salary offered 11,000 to 25,000 a month. This is the company's official website. Office timing, week of details, 9:30 to 6:30 p.m. 6 days of working. Job description, job title, Inside Sales Executive (GEM). Job location Ahmedabad. Experience needed 6 months to 3 years. Salary offered 11,000 to 25,000. Job overview, responsibilities and duties, generating and understanding the requirement of buyer, government bodies, sourcing new sales opportunities through GEM, government e-marketplace. Find contact details like name, title, email, phone for relevant people from our target segments. Doing sales coordination, well versed in making IT knowledge or should be able to learn it. Maintaining relationships with clients, providing holistic solutions. Team with channel partner to build pipelines and close deal, performing effective online demos to prospective clients. Managing end-to-end sales process including invoice, collection, upselling, etc. Education, any graduate. There is a basic information about the company here. You can go through it. This is the address details and phone numbers and official website link as well. You can contact on the given phone number if you have any questions or queries. Next, there is a job opening at KM Electronic Cables Private Limited. They have opening for service technician. Salary offered 1,65,000 to 1,90,000 a year. Job description for hardware. Job title, service technician for hardware. Years of experience 0 to 3 years. Qualification, any graduate. BE Electricals, ITI Electronics, BTech in Electronics, Diploma in Electronics, should be good observer, any knowledge of electronic products, CCTV, experience or fresher can apply. Other benefits, training will be provided, performance based increment, yearly bonus. I have provided the address details and phone number here. You can contact if you have any questions. Next, there is a job opening at Indifos Analytical Private Limited for product executive. Salary offered 20,000 to 25,000 a month. Job description: sales of BioEasy product, demonstration of product to the provided lead, coordinate with HO for quotation issuance, customer query resolution, PO follow up and PO, coordination with HO about the customer order dispatch, sales target achievement, new customer generation, DSR reporting, exhibition participation. Next, there is sales experience 2 years is preferred. Education bachelor's is preferred. Location Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Required travel 100% preferred. Application question: do you have analytical instrument experience? Benefits: health insurance, provident fund, travel allowance. Industry electrical engineering. I have provided the head office address details, phone numbers, and official email IDs here. You can go through it. Next, there is a job opening for Gujarati typist, computer operator for land revenue, Costera Realty Private Limited. Salary offered 15,000 to 25,000 a month. Should be expert in Gujarati typing. Should have experience in land revenue department. Experience in writing legal documents will be an added advantage. Should have good typing speed. Total work experience 2 years is preferred. I have provided the official web address and phone numbers, email ID here. There is a email ID to share your resume, careers at costareality.com. Next, there is a job opening for back office assistant, Rubik Infotech Private Limited. Salary offered 15,000 to 20,000 a month. Doing follow up to customer, preparing a quote, coordinate with support and sales, no target job. Communication skill is very mandatory. Salary offered 15,000 to 20,000 per month. Benefits: cell phone reimbursement, scheduled day shift, supplemental pay, performance bonus, industry IT operations and help desk, administrative duties, scheduling, answering phones. I have provided the office address here. You can go through it, and there is a telephone number you can contact. There is a official email ID as well. Next, there is a job opening for packing supervisor at ALPS Chemicals Private Limited. Salary offered 15,000 to 20,000 a month. Packing supervisor in chemicals plant. Knowledge of chemical company as a packing supervisor. Work experience 2 years is preferred. Education higher secondary 12th pass preferred. I have provided the company address details and email ID, phone number details here. Next, there is a job opening for site supervisor, Flip Spaces Technologies. Salary offered 3 lakhs a year. Designation site supervisor. Desired candidate a very relevant experience in commercial interior projects. Duties and responsibilities. Manage day-to-day operations of the facility. Set project goals and oversee project completion. Schedule and track assignments. To manage all the snag work as per the stipulated time. Coordinate with the concerned person to take sign off, to guide and instruct workers for day-to-day activities, should be responsible for the quality as well as quantity of the production, to arrange necessary materials, machines, tools, hardware, wooden components, etc. for getting the things done, assign referent vendors for different types of jobs after taking quotations, attend project meetings, coordinate with logistic department for material delivery at site, handle escalations appropriately according to escalation matrix, taking approval from seniors. Education bachelor's. You can contact on the given phone number or you can contact through this provided email ID. Next, there is a job opening for talent acquisition executive IMS people, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Salary offered 16,000 to 20,000 a month. Urgent requirement of talent acquisition executive for reputed company in Ahmedabad IMS people. Experience required 6 months in recruitment. Salary negotiable. Qualification graduate or MBA. Language English preferred. I have provided the head office address here. You can check with this, and also there is a contact. Next, there is a job opening for project associate in at Infoware India, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Salary offered 15,000 to 30,000 a month. What you will do? Work on project deliverables and coordinate with internal resources and third parties vendors for the flawless execution of projects. Ensure that all projects are delivered on time within scope and the quality checks. Work on operational aspects including sales. Maintain websites and develop a detailed project plan to monitor and track progress. Perform risk management to minimize project risks. Delegate project tasks based on junior staff member, individual strengths, skill sets, and experience levels. track project performance, specifically to analyze the successful completion of short and long-term goals. What makes you great fit? Master's degree or equivalent and 2 to 4 years relevant professional work experience. Experience seeking projects through the full life cycle and project coordination skill is mandatory. Proven ability to complete projects according to outlined scope and timeline. Solid organizational skills including attention to detail and multitasking skills. Schedule morning shift, supplement pay yearly bonus. I have provided the company address here. There is a telephone numbers, mobile number and official website link here. You can go through it. Next, there is a job opening for solar installation supervisor at Trom Industries Limited, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Salary offered 20,000 to 35,000 a month. Key responsibilities: plan and coordinate installation of photovoltaic solar and solar thermal systems to ensure conformance to codes. Supervise solar installers, technicians, and subcontractors for solar installation project to ensure compliance with safety standards. Access potential solar installation sites to determine feasibility and design requirements. Assess system performance or functionality at the system, subsystem, and component levels. Coordinate or schedule building inspections for solar installation projects. Monitor the work of contractors and subcontractors to ensure projects conform to plans, specifications, schedules, or budgets. Perform a startup of system for testing or customer implementation. Provide technical assistance to installers, technicians, or other solar professionals in areas such as solar electric systems, solar thermal systems, electrical systems, and mechanical systems. Visit customer sites to determine the solar system needs, requirements, or specifications. Evaluate subcontractors or subcontractor bids for quality, cost, and reliability. Prepare solar installation project proposals, quotes, budgets, or schedules. Develop and maintain system architecture including all piping, instrumentation, or process flow diagrams. Estimate materials, equipment, and personnel needed for residential or commercial solar installation projects. Identify means to reduce costs, minimize risks, or increase the efficiency of solar installation projects. 2 to 3 years of experience in solar installation required. Education: bachelor's in electrical engineering required. Language: English required. You can contact Mr. Mitali Prajapati at the mobile number 9099911879. I have also provided the company address here and email ID and phone number here. Next, there is a job opening at RapidOps. They have opening for customer success associate. About the role: a customer success associate is a product specialist who will act as a liaison, provide product or services information, and resolve any emerging problems that our customer accounts may face with accuracy and efficiency. In this role, we will proactively engage with customers to provide strategic and tactical guidance to them in order to increase the value they acquire from RapidOps products. This role will be based out of Ahmedabad. You can share your resume at the provided email ID. If you have any questions, you can contact on the given phone number. I have also provided the address details of the company. Next, there is a job opening for marketing executive at Versatile Techno. Salary offered 15,000 to 35,000 a month. Marketing executive, fire and safety. Should have knowledge of fire and safety equipments. Can generate leads and bring the contract or project from new building sites and government site. Education: 12th pass and above. Experience required: 2 years in builder and government site. I have provided the head office address, contact number, and available the email ID as well. Next, there is a job opening for trainee associate at Porter. You can apply through this link if you are interested in this profile. Porter is looking for trainee associate, demand supply for our spot team. Experience required: 6 months to 1 year of experience. Required qualification: bachelor's degree or equivalent. Core competencies: interpersonal skills, experience in business development. Roles and responsibilities: demand: reach out to target number of clients in the assigned sectors on a daily basis. Detail out Porter's offerings to the clients and understand their requirements. Identify new requirements to be converted into products depending on clients' feedback. Make prospecting lists using industry understands and online sources, actively track conversion to make sales process improvements, generate field leads, supply, partner negotiations, strong communication, community building skill, relationship building skill, network building practices, etc. Generate the leads through sales, meeting the drivers, partners for vehicle attachment, talking to drivers and partners, generating the leads. Mandatory skills, local language proficiency, Gujarati, English, and Hindi is preferred. Skills, sales, operations, business development. I have provided the address details and contact phone number here. You can apply through this provided link. Next, there is a job opening for trainee recruiter at XDuce. Responsibilities and duties. We are looking for young and aggressive professionals, those who can join us IT staffing team, responsible for full cycle recruiting, interview, offer, negotiation, and closed candidates for assigned requisitions. Will be working on internet-based recruiting tools, job portals, LinkedIn, etc. Responsible for achieving a good conversion ratio of submissions into interview and placement, responsible for strategy development process which includes understanding client requirements and mapping the relevant targets, validation of resumes for experience and verification of work status, good understanding of both domains based and technology based recruiting, good understanding of various technologies in the IT domain, be able to search for suitable resumes in the job boards and other resources, thinking out of the box to get resumes for niche requirements through LinkedIn, Google Groups, and other social networking sites. I have provided the address details and contact phone number here if you have any queries. Job opening for front office executive at Shalby Hospital, Naroda Unit, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Salary offered 8,000 to 15,000 a month. Greetings from Shalby Limited, Naroda Unit. We are looking for front office executive for Naroda Unit, Shalby Hospital. Apply only if you meet below criteria. Female candidate preferred. Graduation compulsory. Should be comfortable with rotational shifts. Job description. Administrative. Referring to the telephone queries and routing to the concerned employees, keeping record of daily couriers received, maintaining spreadsheet of hospital contact data, arranging necessary refreshments for meeting in boardroom and meeting room as and when needed, coordinating interviews, assisting candidates in filling pre-interview forms, distribution of newspapers room-wise, maintenance of boardroom on daily basis, hospitality, welcome visitors by greeting them in person and on telephone, answering calls and diverting them to the respective staff when needed, maintaining real-time data of daily footfall and walk-ins in MIS, keeping a check on the housekeeping activities, courier management and distribution, maintaining cleanliness of the floor. Interested candidates can share their resumes on hrd.naroda at shalby.in or call on 9624336777. I have provided the address details and contact numbers, official email ID if you have any questions or queries. That's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe the channel for more updates. If you have any questions or queries, please ask in comments.